This one is how to measure sticky ingredients.
Oh, I know
Done
this
on the
one.
I know you love this one, so I'm gonna let you do that.
I
And
know
we
this one.
actually need, I brought the honey. It's supposed
Can
to
we
be
have the
in it.
honey?
Yeah, somebody bring out some honey. And I'm gonna go over here and start microwaving our next ingredient for tip number 5. Did we get a funky plastic wrap?
Whatever, I'll deal with this. I'll win, don't you worry.
All right, I'm gonna go
You
microwave.
go to the microwave.
Oh, thanks,
Jeanette.
Oh, thank you.
If you don't have a Jeanette at your house, make sure you gather the honey first. Look, you line your measurement with plastic wrap. You fill it with whatever the liquid is. So if you're using corn syrup or honey, right? Can I show them?
Yeah.
Can I show them?
Yeah.
Then you take the whole doodad and you poke the bottom and squirt it into the bowl.
How fun is that? Isn't that fun?